Want to go viral with short videos, even if you have 0 followers? You don't need luck or expensive gear. You just need a smart strategy and a few tricks that catch attention fast. Here's how to create short-form videos that blow up on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Step 1. Hook your viewer in the first 2 seconds. If your video doesn't grab attention immediately, most people scroll past. Start strong with a bold statement, a question, or a surprising visual. Examples: you've been doing this wrong your whole life. Here's the secret nobody tells you about. Show the final result before the tutorial starts. Remember, the first 2 seconds make or break your video. Step 2. Keep it short, clear, and fast-paced. The best viral shorts are between 10 and 45 seconds. Every second should either deliver value, build curiosity, or move the story forward, cut the fluff. Use quick edits, close-up shots, and punchy text to hold attention. Even your silence should feel intentional. Step 3. Focus on one big idea per video. Trying to cram too much into one short causes confusion. Instead, pick a single takeaway, like a quick how to, a shocking fact, a funny reaction, a simple tip that feels valuable. Make sure the viewer leaves with one clear message, not a pile of random info. Step 4. Add bold text and subtitles. Over 80% of short video views are without sound, especially on mobile. Add clear, easy-to-read captions. Use large fonts and place them near the center or where the eye naturally lands. Use animations or bold colors to highlight key words and keep eyes glued to the screen. Apps like CapCut and VN can generate captions automatically, for free. Step 5. Use trending sounds and formats. Short-form platforms favor trends. Use viral audio clips, memes, popular challenges, story formats like before and after or did you know? Look at the Explore or Trending tabs daily, and tailor your own version to fit your niche or brand. Riding a trend early can 10x your reach overnight. Step 6. Post consistently and test different styles. Not every video will pop, but every video is a lesson. Post at least 3 to 5 times a week if you can. Try different topics, styles, and tones. See what performs best, then double down on what your audience responds to. Let the data guide your content direction. Bonus tip: leave a reason to engage. Ask viewers to comment their thoughts, watch till the end, hit follow for part 2, or answer a quick poll in the caption. The algorithm rewards engagement. Give people a reason to interact, even if it's just replying to a question. Going viral isn't about being perfect. It's about being bold, fast, and relatable. That's how you create viral short videos, even as a beginner. So stop overthinking, hit record, and upload your next shot at going viral. And hey, don't forget to like, follow, and tag a friend who needs this too.